messy. You know, they restored the car. Everything's dirty still. Here's the emergency cable. It's rubbing up against the sway bar. And look what they did to isolate the movement. They put this little piece of rubber with a couple of tie wraps because they knew it conflicted. So we'll just put a little piece of rubber around that, and that'll fix the problem. And here too, look, it's here also on the sway bar over here. That's the emergency brake cable. Oh, but, you know, that's not this problem. It's here too. This is the other emergency brake cable. They did the exact same thing, and they put this rusty sway bar back in. You paint the car, you can't clean you can't even take a rag and some cleaner to this metalwork. I mean, come on.